Welcome to Rethymnon, on the sunny island of Crete. We start our walk along the seafront promenade. On one side, the endless blue of the sea. On the other, cosy cafes, shops, and the laid-back rhythm of daily life. The sound of waves, the scent of the sea, and the feeling of summer are everywhere. As we head toward the Venetian Harbour, the atmosphere becomes even more charming. Small fishing boats, waterside tavernas, and that little lighthouse make this spot truly special. By day, it's lively and full of colour. By night, it turns into a romantic place of lights and music. From here, we walk uphill to the fortaleza, the old Venetian fortress. Built in the 16th century to defend Rethymnon from pirates, it now offers peace and panoramic views. From the high walls, you can see the city, the sea, and the mountains beyond. Among the ancient ruins and stone bastions, you can feel the history and enjoy the silence above the city. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Crete and the Mediterranean.